अता बरसात आई मैं खूता था बरसात आई मैं खूता मोर घर तो जो खरियो खरियो मारे बच्चा पोयो बाल बाजार नहीं ले निकला घर को खरियो चित्त तो जो डे गई बरसात में
तो काल तीजो ने बरसात आई थी ये मोरा घर खिराए जो कोई बाहर बैठा जो कोई तो हमें पुगत हुए जो को पोती सगो जो को नहीं
That's why we always say that we should say thank God every day, because they were telling me that they were sleeping in this room and suddenly when rain came and the roof fell down. Because of you we were able to give them this food pack, and we gave them a little love offering as well so they could help themselves to rebuild this home. It's time to help others, be a helping hand for these people living in the villages. Right now I am with Brother Sajan, who used to work at field of cotton, but due to heavy rain and flooding his crops were destroyed, and we gave him hope as a food pack, and we gave him some seeds so he can sow and start from the beginning. And it's all because of you. Like him, there are a lot of brothers, I mean hundreds of them, who are hopeless right now and they have nothing to do, and I believe that we are going to help them together in the name of Jesus.